In this video, I will tell you the best online resources for learning data science in 2021. You can learn data science for free. So why there is a need to spend so much amount of money to get college degree? Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So the first website in our list is Kaggle.com. Kaggle is an online community dedicated to data science and machine learning. It offers data science related topics and free courses that will help the learner to develop the skills in a short amount of time through practical knowledge. So here you can enroll for free courses and earn certificates. There are many courses: Python, Introduction to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, Pandas, Data Visualization, Feature Engineering, Data Cleaning, Introduction to SQL, MySQL, Introduction to AI Ethics, and lot more. The next website in our list is Intellipad.com. It offers professional certification online training courses made by industry experts. So here you can learn high demand skills from the professional experts. You can enroll for the free courses which is offered by Intellipad. Next, you can enroll for free courses by IBM. You can refer the courses on Coursera. Topics related to data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. The next website in our list is tutorialspoint.com. Here you can refer to the documentation. Everything given is in a crisp manner. All the topics are briefly discussed, so you can refer them. You can learn topic by topic. So I hope with these courses you can make a career in data science. With the right resources and guidance, you will learn data science. You can become expert in data science and get a job in high-paid MNCs and companies. You can refer these resources online and join the online communities for discussion and if you have any doubt. If you find this video informative, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel.